Shoykot's family. Fill in the blanks. Shoykot is a dash of class 5. Shoykot is a student of class 5. Shoykot's mother is a dash. Shoykot's mother is a housewife. She makes dash. She makes dresses. Shoykot wants to dash his English. Shoykot wants to improve his English. Mr. Islam dash stories. Mr. Islam writes stories. He watches dash on TV. He watches cartoons on TV. He likes books about animals dash tigers and lions. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Mr. Rashidul Islam is a dash. Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker. This is answer.